Sunny Banani, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube the channel. I hope you can hear me. I really do hope you can hear me. So in this week or the past 2 weeks, there's been a lot of talk about crypto, the Bitcoin halving. Should we invest in crypto before the halving? Should we invest in crypto after the Bitcoin halving? Is it halving? You know what I mean. Stay tuned. Let's get to it.
I'm the best now. Anybody with some money should invest now.
Okay, so first things first, this is for beginners. You don't know what's going on with crypto. I'm specifically going to be focusing on investing in crypto within the context of South Africa and the context of easyEquities, easycypto. Linda. I have my laptop right here for some information, just for accuracy. So cryptocurrency is a collection of binary data. I could go on this long tangent about crypto this, the different types of crypto, this and the fourth. And you're English, but we carry on. English is not Englishing. We carry on. So here's the thing. I do not want you to just get carried off by this whole crypto jargon thing. Crypto mining, binary, there's now. Yo guys, I feel like every few months there's a new, actually every 3 months there's a new crypto. I just feel like that there's a new currency, there's a lot going on. Do not get mixed up into this mess. You understand what I'm saying? Personally, I'm not a trader. I'm not really a crypto investor. I'm an investor, long-term investor. So this is what I have to say upon this. I do not discourage crypto. I have crypto in my portfolio, but I feel like right now, because of the crypto halving, there is a lot going on. Okay, there's a lot of people just pushing crypto. Crypto is the new it. Remember when I invested in crypto in 2021, it just went, and after that, the pain it caused me, I never invested again. On easyEquities, if you are not an easyEquities investor, I have a video to get you started. I will link it up here and down below. But there are different sectors of easyEquities, the app. We have the ZAR account, the ETF, we have the property, USD Australia, and then we have the easycypto. Now, easycypto is, I feel like, the best way to buy crypto in South Africa. I feel like it is the best option that you have, especially if you're a beginner, especially if you don't really know much about crypto. And believe me, actually, I will say this with my chest. Let me come closer. Most crypto investors don't even know what's going on. They don't even know what they are talking about. Maybe me included. Personally, I feel like I had to write an essay for school about crypto at some point. So that's where I gained most of my knowledge. But otherwise, you just know, buy crypto. For me, when it comes to buying crypto, I like to use some rules that I use for my overall investing. The best rule is to diversify. For me, when it comes to crypto, diversify. But I know this video might be all over the place, but let's hold that thought and go back on the crypto halving. So hear me out, I'm going to say this slow. Crypto halving or Bitcoin halving is when the reward for mining Bitcoin is cut in half, reducing the amount of coins in circulation. Let me reword that and come back to you. It is reducing the supply of coins, so we have less coins. It's in half, man. You know what half means. I don't have to baby you with this information. Now, that's not what you're here. Now you need to know, how does this impact you as an investor? Should you invest now or should you invest after the halving? To each its own. Do whatever you see fit. This video is not you doing research. Don't be lazy, go do research. But personally, I have invested, but with crypto, you invest with a pinch of salt. You put in money. Okay, you put in money that you really don't need now. Money that if it just disappeared tomorrow, you'll be fine. Don't be giving yourself chest pains because of crypto. Do not be giving yourself chest pains because of crypto. This is not where you put your emergency fund. This is not where you put the money that you need next month or next month. No, for crypto, at least 6 months. Money you know you will not need in at least 6 months. You need to have funds in your ETFs, okay? ETFs, safety. Those give you safety. Those cushion you. Those are like pillows on your neck when you're sleeping, okay? While crypto is like thorns on your neck. You will not sleep. Trust me, I've been there. I know what I'm talking about. So, you can invest before and after. Like, there's no need to choose. Just figure out what works for you, because it's going up right now. I'm going to show you my portfolio for crypto. I only have 2, okay? When it comes to me, I do not buy individual crypto. Like, I do not buy Bitcoin and Pepe and Dogecoin. You put me through a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. I do not buy those. I diversify. For me, diversification means I'm just going to buy ETFs. Is it crypto ETFs? If I'm wrong, I'm going to correct myself. But it's an index fund. I prefer to buy crypto index funds because I just firmly believe in index funds or ETFs or just bundles or unit trust, basically. So when I just purchase once in the EC10, the EC20, currently I have 2 EC10s. I have the EC10, the market cap, and the EC10 market evaluated or equally evaluated one. Yes. So what it means is that maybe if I put 500 Rand in the EC10 market cap, it will just pick based on which cryptocurrency has the biggest market cap. For example, maybe there's 60% in Bitcoin, 10% in Dogecoin, all those types of things. I'm going to put the list over here. Okay. And then in the equally weighted, it means that everything is equally weighted. So there's 10% in Bitcoin, 10% in Dogecoin, 10% in maybe Pepe. You know what I mean, Moss. You know what I mean. I'm going to put it right here on the side. By the way, I just came back from campus and my brain is not functioning properly because the essay, I was writing an essay. But you're not here for that. You diversify, okay? You make sure you have your money in other places. One of the main reasons I recommend the easycypto account instead of trading on your ZAR account is because if your crypto goes down, it is going to affect your whole portfolio. So now your portfolio is negative because crypto is down 50%. So now your portfolio as a whole is also down. But if you invest in the easycypto, your balance does not show on the total of your ZAR account. I hope I'm making sense. Let me repeat that. If you invest in the easycypto, it's a whole other balance and it's whole other platform situation, okay? But if you invest in your ZAR account, then it affects your overall portfolio. So if crypto is down, your ZAR account is down, your whole portfolio is down. Your chest pains. Don't do that. Don't be pressured to buy crypto. Personally, I bought some. I won't even lie about the amount. I think I purchased crypto for 500 Rand, if I'm not mistaken, 555 Rand. That is my EC10. I also had 1,000 something Rand in my ZAR account, just so for diversification. I bought it 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. That's all that I purchased personally. And you know what? I need that money soon. I'm withdrawing. I was there for a good time, not a long time, and I personally 30% I'm out. I slice. Here is something else that most investors advise. If you invest in crypto, you remove your initial investment or remove the profit. So if you invest 1,000 Rand and you get, if you are lucky, 50% interest, and it's possible, go crypto, to the moon we go. It's possible. You remove that 50% interest so that when it starts going down, you are okay. One of the reasons that I love crypto is because the trend keeps going upwards. If you watched my last investment video, you know what I mean when I say the trend is going upwards. For the past 2, 3, 4 maybe 5 years, I should really know my facts. Crypto has been going up like since the beginning. Cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, love you Bitcoin, you have served me well, has been going up. So if you don't need the money now, you can just invest it. It's very high risk. Just have a high risk appetite, put the money in crypto and wait it out, and it shall reward you. Hopefully, I'm not a financial advisor. Actually, you can tell I'm not a financial advisor. Right? Basically, what am I trying to say with this video? I'm trying to say, please do not be pressured to buy crypto right now. I'm not saying buy, I'm not saying not buy, I'm saying do your own research. This is not doing research, this is just us conversating about this. I personally invested before, okay, and I will invest after, but not my life savings, not my entire NSFAS allowance, not my entire salaries, entire paycheck, no, not even half of it, okay, not even half, definitely not even half on it. But determine whether you are here for a good time or a long time. If you are here for a good time, you invest, you sell, you invest, you just get out of it while you can, okay? Hold it in the crypto account, invest there, and then leave it. Don't go to the crypto platform. If you invest in your ZA account, you've been warned. Don't do that. Also, we don't really have individual cryptocurrencies in the ZA account as far as I remember in the making of this video, but I still don't think you should be buying like a large amount of your portfolio. Is just crypto, like 40% maximum. 40% maximum should be crypto. You should be in 40% max. If you're at 50, when that crypto goes down, your whole portfolio is down. It's giving flashbacks. It's giving flashbacks of my trauma. Don't do that. If I haven't answered any of your questions, I'll probably make a better, well-structured video about this. Right now, this is attempt number 1 and I am posting it. Thank you for watching this video. I am the Lelo M. No, actually that's not. Thank you for watching this video. I am Nombulengamsilemloch. Oh my goodness, signing out.